Like millions of others in the UK, I like to put food out for my garden birds. Just as important though is to provide them with water that's suitable for them to drink. Rainwater being more suitable than tap water, and preferably in more than one place. As well as needing it to drink, water is also needed for bathing. A bird's feathers need to be kept in tip-top condition. Badly maintained plumage reduces thermal efficiency and flying ability, both of which can affect a bird's survival chances. This old frying pan is raised up on bricks, so that in the winter I can put a lit candle under it to thaw the ice. In the absence of drinking water, eating snow is not a viable alternative, as it would cost valuable thermal energy to convert the snow to water internally. Regardless of the time of year, things can get pretty busy around the various water stations in my garden, so I always make a point of a fresh top-up each morning. So don't forget, water your birds as well as your plants, and they'll reward you with a good show.